In this video, I'll be showing you how you can confirm your Gmail or your email on your Windscribe account and get 10 free gigabytes data allocation to your 2 gigabytes already given in your account. It's very simple. So what you need to do is tap on the hamburger menu here. Good. And now you move to your account. Good. And on here, you can see an email there, the email you used to sign up. So you can just tap on resend here if you've not confirmed it and you've been using an account for a long time. Just tap on resend. Good. And now you tap on resend verification email and it will be resent to you. Now you move to manage account here. It will take you to a browser, something like that. Good. And then you proceed here. From here, you get it. So here you can edit your email if you want to add a new email to verify the account, or if you want to resend it. So you saw an email pop up on top of my phone. So that's it. For privacy sake, I'm not going to open the email, but then they'll send you an email and then you just tap on the confirm to confirm your email address, and that's it. So you can see it here, I think, and that's it. You confirm and you're good to go. So that's it on how you confirm your email address to get 10 gigabyte free data on Windscribe VPN. If you are new here, you give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Peace.